My pipo, kasala don burst o as marriage don carry two baba and Natasha enter market square. Which kind love be dis one? Is dis one true love abi na market square love? Anyway guys, before we proceed, you're welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you dey see dis video. My pipo, how una dey? Thank you so much for watching. And thank you also for being part of this channel. My prayers for you is that God go keep blessing you, protect, preserve, and provide for you. Your own no go lost at all at all. So my correct people o, kasala don burst as I don talk am before. Where two baba and Natasha dey. Two baba thought that leaving Annie is going to have peace. Although some people will tell you that, Annie's marriage is violent. Annie's marriage is too harsh on two baba. It's now that two baba found true love. Kai, which kind true love is that? This one no be true love for my people. As wetin dey sup right now be say, after Natasha's mother told Natasha make you leave Two-Face alone, that this man no go help you in life. You are not taking this thing wey dey make you dey waka one side when the House of Senate has appointed you as a senator. You are not taking this stuff wey dey make you dey open your cloth for public when these people gave you an appointment and you are working very well. Because according to wetin we hear, my people, Natasha was doing very well for herself before knowing two baba, before two baba knew, I don't know that, before meeting two baba and they accepted to do this thing that they are doing now. But Natasha mother don tell Natasha say, leave this guy is not good for you. But you know say, the thing wey go make fly enter grave, you no go make am make him lis ten to smell at all. My people, so after two baba mother carry, not two baba, Natasha mother carry two baba and then Natasha go rehab center come out. The woman come tell Natasha say, you're not going back to this man. And the two baba been like, they have taken away the love of my life. And that was when we started hearing that two baba wey no know himself this time around, he don cry abi dey beg, dey ask Annie make Annie forgive am. That was when he was begging Annie. My people, don't forget say na alleged information o, because I don't know whether na true. Na the thing wey I dey hear I dey share with you. But they talk say two baba went and was begging Annie, asking Annie to please forgive, accept me back, because he no sign that divorce paper for court. Two baba no sign the divorce paper. I don't know whether I don hear that one before. That it was only Annie who went and signed, because he thought that after maybe doing all this thing that Annie will come back as usual to beg. As Annie wrote the romantic and emotional message, no be romantic, na emotional. The emotional message wey she wrote when she wrote to two baba, when two baba abandoned her both in the hospital, while she was fighting for her life, two baba also abandoned her. She wrote that thing and told two baba, as you are doing this thing, don't forget the past. But two baba still do am, thinking that maybe later Annie will come back to start begging as usual now. You know say some men wey no fit tell you say I'm sorry, na only you dey tell them sorry, as if say na you don break their glass cup. My people, he was expecting that Annie will come and beg you, even though we know that he's not ready to accept Annie back, but he was waiting for Annie to come back. When Annie come out of hospital, Annie will come and beg him. But to his greatest surprise, Annie did not beg him at all. Rather, Annie walked straight to the court and signed the divorce paper. But he that served Annie the divorce paper did not sign, because the thing was doing him double mind. If I miss this woman now for my life, if I sign this divorce paper, this is going to be the worst thing that will ever happen to me. What if I no come finally marry this one? What if this man no, this particular one no kukuma make good wife? Dat kind thing na a lot of thing was going on in two Baba's mind. But my people, make I tell una wetin sup now. The main koko of the cocoline be say we hear say two Baba want to pay Annie, not Annie, Natasha's bride price allegedly. But Mama two Baba say no, this girl no go come into my family. I dislike her, I no like her at all. I told una say this woman dey use bead dey hold my pikin. This thing that my pikin is doing nice, he's not doing it with his right senses. And people were like, this woman, wetin dey sup now? What is your problem? And Natasha too went and composed a song for the two Baba's mother o. Make una see the level wey the thing don reach. After that composure, after that song, the woman was like, okay na this kind person wey I go still carry come into my house. But some people were like, this one serve you better because you no give her any rest. You no accept her into your family. You no love her as mother-in-law suppose to love the daughter-in-law. Anything wey Annie do na wahala for una. Na this one go fit una. If you compose song for am, you go sing back at you. My people, the woman come say, this girl no dey enter my house o, na me talk am. And two Baba was like, wetin na? Two Baba went and met with the elders. The elders be like say the mama don go meet the elders. Tell them say, make una no follow this guy go carry this girl come o. My people, kasala don burst o my people. Na Mama two Baba don meet the elders, and two Baba want to meet the elders. Elders say no, go and get the confirmation from your mother. And I no know whether two Baba's father still dey, because if the father no dey, the mama na him be father, na him be mother. So when you want to go and marry and your mama say no, you no go marry this person, abeg, if you no know how to pray, pray very well if that person is your right wife. If you don't know how to pray, abeg pray. No be only watching o. This one the people dey look for husband and wife, they go tell you say continue to watch. No be only watch, you go dey pray hard. Prayer na 70%, then watch na 30. So na two Baba was like, what are you telling me? And they say that when two Baba try to convince the elders, you know say some people dey love money too much o. Finally, they say that two Baba convinced the elders by giving them money now. So after the conviction, they follow am go. But the worst of it is that marriage no kukuma happen for house. Is it that Mama Natasha send these people out? Abi two Baba's mother come and they do something that make two Baba to leave the house? I don't know, because I know say na for woman house they go pay bride price. My own case be say, how then is it that Natasha mother no gree make two Baba pay the bride price? How come? Abi Mama two face carry wahala and fight come? But what I heard finally be say na for Market Square they later finish the bride price. Hey, if this one na true, na im be say two Baba is gone. If no be true, my people, make una no crucify me. Na the thing wey I dey hear dey tell you now, na alleged information. But when I heard this one, I was like, how possible is it that two Baba will go to Market Square? Market Square, no be say, and this one now, is it marriage of the mad people? Anyway, some people can be mad anyway, some people can be mad. But the thing be say, Mama two Baba no accept Natasha for any reason. I don't even know whether Natasha mother still accept them two to be together. So now the thing why they hear, I just like, wetin do you think? Do you think that this thing can be true, that two Baba finally ended up marrying Natasha at the Market Square? And as you see Natasha face no look good at all. The girl no happy o. You no happy at all, because she never expect that this kind of a thing would happen. I know say by now she would regret, say, why did I come to this man? I for listen to my mother. My mother gave me advice and I did not listen. My people, kasala don burst o. And let me tell you, for some elders wey dey collect money just to bribe, na so una go use una head dey pay for all the thing wey una dey all the bribe wey una dey collect. Because if dem no collect bribe follow to baba, the marriage for no work. Mama Two-Face for don dey win, you see. Anyway guys, that is the gist. Please don't forget that all these things you are hearing here are all alleged information. No be true talk o. If na true, I for tell una. Na true say I dey talk. But this one wey be alleged, na it make I tell una say na alleged information. So please do well to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Share the video, okay? And give it a thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye.